Hi everyone, week 2 of our vlog, office to serviced office conversion if you like. We're here now on floor 3. You probably recognise this because we've used this as a set for a few interviews that we've done over the past couple of months or so. But now it's just strip out has started. We've got to get rid of all the old to prepare the scene for conversion into individual serviced office suites. In week 1, we were down on the first floor where strip out had just taken place, but quite a lot of progress has been made down there. If you come with me, we'll take a little look.
Yeah! Like that! Huh.
Okay, so here we are on the first floor. You remember in the week 1 of the vlog, we'd just done strip out pretty much. But now what's happened here is a lot of the stud walls have been put up, the skeletals of the stud walls have been put up for the individual serviced office suites. What we're trying to do here is create a variety of suites to cater for different types of small businesses. So we've got 2-person suites, 3 to 4-person suites, all the way up to 8 to 10-person suites here. So on this floor, every floor will have its own kitchen and tea making facilities, a variety of meeting rooms as well on each floor. What we are keen to get absolutely spot on, because we did a bit of research about what pisses people off about serviced offices. One of the big things that pisses people off is sound insulation. You're in one suite, the walls are paper thin, and you can hear people break wind in the suite next door. We don't want any of that. We want a bit of sound insulation. We want a bit of privacy, if you like, when you're making your business calls and whatnot. So what we're doing is we're taking the partition walls all the way up to the ceiling, not just to the suspended ceiling like many people do. We're also using the blue sound block plasterboard, and in between the cavity is going to be insulated with acoustic insulation. And that should provide a massive amount of sound insulation between the individual suites to give those people a degree of privacy. The other thing that we've done is with climate control. The AC guys are here now. The old AC has been completely stripped out. This is actually a major part of the work, putting in separate climate control for each suite to make them comfortable basically. So every suite will be able to operate the temperature to their requirements within the suite with its own separate AC unit, if you like, in the ceiling. That then creates another problem, if you like, because you can't have, if you're going to have, we're going to have about 40 suites here, 40 to 45 individual businesses here. You can't have that many condenser units outside the building. There just isn't room. So then you have to go for these quite sophisticated systems that allow you to combine all of those together so that you can have one box outside which services all these individual suites while giving them all individual climate control. So there's quite a lot going in here. Most of it is in the preparatory works. If you get that right, the rest is all easy. So we get the skeletal walls in, the AC goes in, you can see Cat 6 cabling has gone in, all the electrics has gone in for each individual suite. They start by putting, by plasterboarding one side of the partition so that you can kind of work off, if you like, but then still keeps the partition accessible to put services in and all the rest of it. So that's what's happened. It's week 2. Progress hasn't been too bad. Join us in the next video where we'll show you what's been happening in week 3. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the bell icon. As soon as we upload, we'll let you know. And enjoy these. They're all dedicated to helping you be more successful in property. Happy investing!